An upcoming AI video motion control from Stable Diffusion would be a great addition to AI video animation. With this tool, you will be able to control the motion of multiple objects in a single video. In today's video, we'll take a brief look at this new AI tool for video animation. Additionally, I will compare it with RunwayML and Pika Labs. So, without further delay, let's get started. Boximator is a new AI video diffusion model based on fine-grained motion. With this tool, you can draw the boxes in an image to select the areas for motion. Then, you can add a motion path by using arrows or endpoint boxes. In the end, you will have stable motion in the video. The great thing is that you can control as many objects as you want. Here are some examples shared by this tool. A kitten hiding in a cup and poking its head out in another video. Both videos look amazing with perfect motion. There are no distorted or blurry elements in the video. Here is another example of a drone flying and turning around over a beach. A knight riding through the wilderness with the camera following from behind. All of the examples look amazing. Usually, text-based prompts struggle with motion controls as they are unable to fully understand the text prompt. When you have multiple objects in an image, the text-based motion control cannot pick up the position, shape, and trajectory completely. However, box animators solve this issue by using boxes. You can draw rectangular boxes around the objects for movement and add motion paths with the help of arrows. Here we have an example of a bird's feathers flying away with a background motion. Another example of hot air balloons floating in the sky. This model generates a high level of motion compared to other models. For example, an astronaut skateboarding on the moon showcases levels of motion not achievable with other models available in the market. With this model, you can generate motion in different directions. As you can see in this example, a wolf howls at the moon and then jumps down from a stone and runs away. Let's compare this model with RunwayML and Pika Labs. To generate an image, let's get some prompts from ChatGPT by using this prompt. You can watch this video for more details about the prompt generation with ChatGPT. Choose the style to photorealistic. Type the text prompt. Let's say, a whale jumps out of the water. Here, we have 8 different prompts for image generation. Copy the text and go to Leonardo AI Image Generation. Paste the text prompt. Leonardo AI has recently launched a Photo Real version 2.0. We will discuss it in upcoming videos. For the sake of this video, choose this option. Click on the Generate button for the images. Here we have 4 images. This image looks perfect for this example. Download this image. Go to runwayml.com, upload your image. Paste the text prompt. Let's select the area with the help of the motion brush. Choose this vertical and proximity motion. Click on this button to generate the video. Here we have the video from RunwayML. This looks amazing. Now, let's try the same image and prompt with Pika. The result from Pika is not very impressive. And here you can see an amazing motion from this new AI tool. Here are some other results compared with RunwayML and Pika. Which one is better in your opinion? Share your views in the comment box. This tool's website is under development and will take 2 to 3 months to be live. Before that, You can message your images along with a text prompt to this email for video generation. That wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to subscribe to my second channel for more amazing AI-related videos. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon with more exciting stuff.